Happy 18th birthday, Ate Jam! It had been 18 years since you were evicted from the womb. And in those 18 years, life had given you a lot of ups and downs. Those years had given you memories and life lessons that I hope you would bring in the next chapter of your life. Bulaman ako sa Australia to personally greet you to the happiest birthday ever. I just want to let you know that you are a gem. I love you and I miss you. Happy birthday! Hi Noah! Happy birthday! It's me, your Ate LJ. I hope that you enjoy your day and continue to be a loving and kind boy. Again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Jem Jem! Enjoy your day today. Dalaga ng bebe namin. And always remember that even if we are too far away, we are still there. Cheering you up, you know, supporting you all the way on everything that you do. Stay as sweet as you are. And also, thank you for being a loving ate to Noah and Oyo. And just always remember that in everything that you do, put God first. Okay? And also, continue to do what you love doing. Enjoy it. And I know one day, all of your dreams will come true. Starting today.
So, happy 18th birthday, Jem Jem. So, pag-iingan mo pa para sa mga pangarap mo, malayo rin marating mo. Stay kind, loving sa mga kapatid mo, baka may pasensya, nakukulitan ka. Yun lang.
Okay, so Jem Jem, happy 18th birthday! And here in Cavite, we love you! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Noah!
May you have many more birthdays to come. Stay as who you are, and a loving, a caring, and happy eating. And always remember that Tita and Kuya Jason loves you so much.
Happy birthday, Noah! Pagbutiin mo lalo sa school. Bawasan mo na yung paglalaro.
Happy birthday, Jem Jem and Noah. More birthdays to come. Stay healthy lang and study hard. Sana makauwi na kayo dito sa Pilipinas and enjoy your day. We love you.
Hi, Jem! Happy 18th birthday! Sayang wala ako dyan, pero sana i-enjoy mo ang iyong kaarawan. At sana huwag kang magbabago. Jem, mahal na mahal kita, Jem. Siyempre, ang aming Jem Jem, dalaga na. Sana ma-fulfill mo yung iyong mga dreams. At I'm waiting for you here at Karamoan. Mag-swimming ulit tayo dito. Mag-i-enjoy tayo ng gusto sa dagat. At I hope na magkikita tayong muli sa mga darating na araw. Enjoy your day. I love you. Again, happy 18th birthday. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I love you.
Hi, sweet Jem Jem. Happy 18th birthday. I know it's your birthday today. You are now a young, beautiful lady. That means you can now spread your wings and enjoy the best in life. My advice is that although you have that freedom, you already have that freedom, my advice is for you to always seek the guidance of your mama and papa. Ang sabi nga nila, parents will never go wrong when it comes to their children. Remain humble, always feet on the ground, and enjoy your life. Happiest birthday, Apo. Hi Noah, this is your Lolo Silet. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Enjoy your day, Apo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray!
Happy birthday, Ate Jem Jem.
Happy birthday, Ate Jem Jem. Happy birthday, Ate Jem Jem.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Jem Jem.
Happy birthday, Ate Jem Jem. We wish you all the best now and into the future. Always respect your parents and study hard and enjoy your life.
Happy birthday, Jem!
And also, happy birthday, Kuya Noah. Happy birthday, Kuya Noah.
Happy birthday.
See ya.
See ya! Bye!
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Jem, and happy 10th birthday, Kuya Noah. Today is your day. I hope your day is full with every blessing. Just enjoy your day to the fullest and keep spreading the love. See you soonest. We miss you all and we love you all. Love, Tita Ai.
Happy birthday, Ate Jem Jem at Noah. Mag-aaral kayo mabuti at sana matupad yung pangarap niyo sa buhay. At sana po makauwi po kayo dito para po mag-swimming tayo. At miss na miss po namin kayo. Love, Ian.
Ate Jem and Noah, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Keep safe always. Don't forget to pray kay God. Happy birthday again. We miss you. Love you all. Love, Pina.
Happy birthday, Ate Jem Jem and Kuya Noah. Sana po makatapos na po kayo sa pag-aaral at sana po mabuti po kayo sa kapwa at sana din po makauwi na po kayo sa Pilipinas. Happy birthday and we love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Jem. Happy birthday, Noah. Wish ko sa inyo, sana pagbutihin nyo ang pag-aaral nyo palagi at sana makauwi na kayo sa Pilipinas at sana lagi kayong ligtas at lagi kayong safe. Happy birthday and we love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Jem Jem. Happy birthday, Kuya Noah. Ang wish ko po, sana po pagbutihan sa pag-aaral at makauwi na po kayo sa Pilipinas. Happy birthday and I love you.
Hi, Jem Jem! Happy 18th birthday! Love ka ni Ate Rox. Sana maging good girl ka. Lahat ng dreams mo matupad. Wishing you all the best. And also, Kuya Noah, happy birthday. Thank you. Love.
Happy 18th birthday, Jem Jem. Sana maging successful ka sa lahat ng dreams mo. We miss you and we love you. And also, happy birthday, Kuya Noah. Love, Tito Jem.
Hi, Jem, our precious Jem, our Daddy Tan. You are a young lady now. We hope that your 18th birthday inspires you to dream big and accomplish any task set in front of you. Hoping to see you all again. And also to Noah, happy birthday. Be a good boy and study hard. Happy birthday to both of you. We all love you. Thanks be to God. Hello there sa mga friends ko.
Over. Toxic. Lulu.
Hello, Jem. Happy 18th birthday. Sending a special wishes for you to have a delightful day. I hope your celebrations give you many happy memories. Welcome to the adulthood. We miss you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Jem. Happy birthday, Noah.
Enjoy your day. Love you.
Miss you.
Hi, Jem. Happy 18th birthday. Wish you all the best. Mag-aral ka na mabuti para makatapos ka ng pag-aaral someday. At sana magpagmulat ng pangarap mo sa buhay in the future. At sana maging mabuti ka palagi sa kapwa mo. And enjoy your day. And sana makauwi na kayo ng Pilipinas. And also, happy birthday, Kuya Noah. Be a good boy and study hard. We love you. Love kayo kita. See you soon.
Hi, Jem! Happy 18th birthday and happy 3rd Sabbath anniversary. God bless.
Yeah!
Hi,
Noah! Happy 10th birthday! Yeah!